Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to edit records in bulk from the Object Index page in HubSpot. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the page, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main HubSpot dashboard where you can access all the different features and tools. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll see a navigation menu with several options listed vertically. From this menu, click on CRM. This is where all your customer relationship management data lives, including contacts, companies, deals, and other important records. Now, for this example, we're going to be editing records in bulk from the Object Index page using Deals. So once you're in the CRM section, click on Deals. This will open up your Deals dashboard where you can view and manage all your active and closed deals in one place. Before you start selecting records, make sure your Deals page is set to Table View. This view makes it much easier to see multiple deals at once and select them in bulk. If you're not already in Table View, you should see a View option somewhere near the top of the page that allows you to switch between different display formats. Now comes the bulk selection part. To select multiple deals at once, simply check the checkbox that appears before each deal's name. You can select as many deals as you need by clicking each checkbox individually, or if you want to select all deals on the current page, there's usually a checkbox at the top of the column that will select everything at once. This is the key step that allows you to edit multiple records simultaneously instead of going through each one individually. Once you've selected the deals you want to edit, look at the top of the page where several action buttons will appear. First, click Assign. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, choose an owner from the list. This allows you to reassign all the selected deals to a specific team member. After selecting the owner, click Assign to confirm the action. This is particularly useful when you're redistributing workload across your sales team or when someone new joins your team. Next, at the top of the page, click Edit. When you do this, you'll be prompted to choose a property. Properties are the different fields associated with your deals, such as deal stage, amount, close date, and so on. Select the property you want to update across all your selected deals, make your changes, and then click Update. This saves time by letting you modify the same field across multiple records in one go instead of opening each deal individually. You also have the option to delete records in bulk. If you need to remove deals, click Delete at the top. You'll be asked to type the number of records you're about to delete as a confirmation step. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental deletions. After typing the number, click Delete to remove those deals from your system. Lastly, you can click Create Task if you want to create a task associated with all the selected deals. This opens up a task creation window where you'll need to input several details. Fill in the task type, set the priority level, choose who the task should be assigned to, select a queue if applicable, set a due date, and add a reminder if needed. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click Create Task. This feature is incredibly helpful when you need to follow up on multiple deals at once or assign action items to your team members. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to edit records in bulk from the Object Index page in HubSpot. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.